Going to study Spanish or keep getting involved in each other's personal lives? Hey, Troy sneezes like a girl.
And how about I pound you like a boy? That didn't come out right.
Why don't you all just leave him alone with his cute little baby sneezing?
You're not my mother.
She's not?
I've seen men in your situation, Troy. No, those are both for me.
You were on top of the world before, and now no one gives a rat's ass.
I can help you with your image. First, I lose the jacket. You look like a high school bitch. But more importantly, it's your sneeze. When I was a CEO, I had an array of masculine sneezes that asserted dominance. You know, like the explosive shock the room into silence sneeze, the fails, or the draw them in sneeze, you know. Then maybe I wouldn't sneeze, because I'm in control. I mean, you could even use a sneeze to drive home a point. You can, like, I think the Cubs are gonna win it all this year. Come on! What do you think?
Tell me more.
God bless you. God bless you.
Thank you.
For someone who doesn't like getting involved,